expectations. I'm totally bummed about those decals. I'm actually letting them soak some more, but if I can get them on there, I will. So just to follow up on those decals, yeah, it's the next morning and I tried, lifting them up a little bit, coaxing them with the brush, and it ain't having it. You can see as I started to get it up here, cracked. This part came off. I don't know if I could do this with one hand, but just trying to, I can't even get under this one. So I'm bumming. Oh well. Hopefully not all these will be this way. Because I'm like, if I could get the paper to disintegrate away from underneath there, I don't know. I'm going to go see, maybe there's a video on how to rescue these. I don't know. Mail call. All right. Another Lindbergh kit. The Harley Davidson 1200 V Twin. Let's see what we got. All right. Colored sprue. Looks like everything's there. Quite a bit of flash. Rubber tires. And a chrome sprue. Nice. And again, these Lindbergh kits, no clear parts. They go with the chrome, which is okay. Learned how to deal with that. And all right, so now I have 1 to 8, I think, or 1 to 9, 2 1 to 9 Harleys, a 1 to 16, and a 1 to 24. So I've got plenty of my Harley collection now. All right, I believe this is the last kit to go in the stash, and I'm done with my binge because I don't have any more room in the cabinet. All right, I did it. I got them all in there. So there's that Harley along with the other two. And I had to push that top shelf up a little bit, but I got them all in there. So that is the motorcycle stash. And the motorcycle's on the shelf. And I will be building more of those as time goes on. All right, what have I done? So I got it off there. And I got it on there in pieces, and then I hit it with the salvo set. I'm trying to coax this other one, but what's happening is the paper is coming off with it. If you could see underneath there or something. It's on the other side. I started on the kind of on the side that'll be away from me when it's on the shelf, so whatever. I had to try though. All right, on this side now, I've got all these individual pieces loose. Now, if I can transfer them and piece them back together, we'll see. All right, there's my attempt. Unfortunately, this bottom corner here got messed up, but the rest of it, I was able to kind of piece it down. So now I'll try this last piece here and let that all nestle down, hit it with the salvo set after it dries a little bit, and see what happens. Let's see how that other side's doing. Not great, but it is. Yeah, maybe I'll try to fix that up with some yellow stripe decal. We'll see. I don't know. But this side is better than nothing. I want it to be the original kit, and doggone it, I'm gonna do it come hell or high water. So. All right, there we go. I think there's still paper underneath this one, which is why it stuck together so well. I'm gonna let that dry and see what the deal is. All right, the decals are on. Okay, I tried to fix up this first side with some yellow stripe decal just to get that bottom a little better. Okay. It's like a Monet. It looks good from far away, but not so good close up. That's pretty much the best I can do, and I'm not even going to show the other side. It's pretty bad. I had them all kind of lined up, but as they dried, they curled up, and I couldn't get them you know, those edges to curl back down. But I was bound and determined to build this entire kit, and doggone it, I did it. And I learned a lot from this kit. I think going forward, I'll deal with those seams differently. And then I'll definitely take more care with these decals, like, you know, probably treat them with the microsol decal film right from the start. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the way this kit came out. And I'm looking forward to doing more. Like I said, you know, scratch build opportunities abound, I think. I was toying with the idea of doing the Kickstarter on this and the foot brake. I don't remember which side it was on, but stopped at that rear view mirror. So that's my Yamaha 3-fur for the 2024 group build. And one more time, thanks Cliff and Jamie for an awesome group build. And this is my last Yamaha for that group build, but definitely not my last bike. So once again, thanks for watching and happy modeling.